Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to set the table layout in Genius POS. Okay, first go to the table. From here you can turn on Edit On. So if you want to add a table, just click Add Table. So let's say I want to add a table 6. So I select on the table, or you can select square or circulate. Then from here you can check on the size, the packs, and then the table width. Just click Add. So it will become like this. So if you want to delete the table, just click here and click Delete Table. Okay, if some cases, if you have a reservation, when you create a table, I can put the table name as reservation, and then I put as customer tab. Just click done and click save. If customer is ordered based on the table, it requests you to key in the customer name. Let's say Aaron. Click OK. So this table, if I order some pizza, and this table is under Aaron. Furthermore, you also can add a layout, something like this. For example, you just click Add Layout, let's say Outdoor. Just click Add. So it will show that new layout has been created. And here you can see there's an Outdoor, Section 2 and Section 1. If you want to edit the layout, change the sequence, very simple. Click on the Edit Layout and just click Edit. See there's a 3-line, hold it. You want to delete, just click Delete. Just click Done and save. Let's say you have a joint table. Let's say table 7 want to join with table 9. So very simple. Click on the function and click Join Table. So I select the table 7, join with table 9. So both tables will become table 9. So when you're taking order, let's say I order 1 pizza. So both tables are become sharing a same order. If you want to unjoin the table, click on the function, just click Undo Join. So select the table, I select here, it will show the table has been unjoined. If you want to change table, just hold the table and click Change Table. If you click Yes, in the kitchen printer, it will print out a kitchen order, notify that the table 9 has transferred to table 7. Let's say table 7 want to merge with table 9, very simple, just hold the table 7 and click on Merge Table and click on table 9. Then both tables will merge together. If you want to order by takeaway, just click on Takeaway. Then on the bill it will show Takeaway. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。